Squad pulling in. Oh, another R8. Damn. They keep spawning. Sheesh. Sheesh. Mine's better. It's the pony. The boss, she's reborn. She's reborn. Dude, yes. Yes. With the Labubu. Look at this beautiful man in his Raptor. Let's go, gracias, señor. Look how this is what makes a rally a rally. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, good. Yeah, we got lanyards, we got walkies, we got beautiful people, beautiful cars. It's gonna be popping. Got the R8 boys, Mr. Van, Malibu Mafia, Mr. Andy. We got Posty, custom build right here. Miss Amy right here, the MVP. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's clean. That's clean. Let's go. Let's go. Another R8. Oh, Chevy Nova over there. Yes. 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 Let's go. High five, baby. Boom. Miracles and dreams. What do you guys do?
We're a nonprofit in downtown Riverside.
Okay, nice.
We help, underprivileged kids, families, educational things. Anything to support. You can pull it there.
Let's go.
We're here, checking out Airport Cafe. We saw your event here.
Yes. You got a website you could plug?
Yeah, it's www.miraclesanddreams.org. Follow us on Instagram, Miracles and Dreams Foundation. We'll show you all of our events and community stuff.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. Yeah. Other schmazzy. But you got the MC.
Don't worry, they heard you in the class.
Cool. I'm just a little loud.
Well, thank you everybody for coming.
Yay!
Planning the next one.
Yay!
Thank you, brother.
Woo! We about to pick up all the Latinas right now. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to the ride. Johnny the Bronx Pizza, man.
New York style.
Let's go. Señor Gabe. ¿Estás listo, señor?
Listo.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Italiano. Yeah. Yes. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah, we out here cruising. The new exhaust is unbelievable. Excuse me. Rudy's exhaust. Trying to outdo me? No. But yeah, we got our next stop is Banning High School, a couple miles away. Let's get it. To Lake Hemet, and look at the lineup of cars today. 36 cars. Chad and the other Maserati, Jay, Rudy, Mr. Kevin, Mr. Marco. And then we came and we met at the Lake Hemet market. Pretty dope. And next stop is, I believe, Pechanga Casino, where we're gonna have our Friendsgiving meal. And some people are gonna stay the night there. I'm gonna go home and see my mom. But yeah, I love you guys. This is the craziest rally I've ever been on. What's up, guys? I'm here with the homie Andy, and I just want to let you guys know what he does so you can support his amazing brands. Andy, let them know what you do.
Appreciate it, man. So we manufacture weapons, so it's Syndicus USA, and we also have a peptide company called Trifecta. So if you want to come support, check us out, Syndicus USA or trifectapeptides.com, and make sure you go show this guy support.
Let's go, baby. I'll put the links right. Ferraris. Hey, Ferraris. So we're going to the next stop now?
Yes, sir. Pechanga, valet.
Woo! Woo! done with Pechanga. Sorry I did not film in there. We got dinner. Oh my God, you can't see me. We had an amazing dinner at Kelsey's. Shout out the crew there. Dude, it was like 40 of us. That was crazy. And shout out everybody. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Mar. Shout out Luxxe Marketing. That was the sickest fucking rally. I pulled up to my cousin's house to show him the exhaust. And we're about to go for a joyride. I got my cousins in the car. Hold on, we need some fucking. I got my cousins in the car. Yeah. Dude, that sounds good. This sounds bomb.
I felt like Batman.
Damn.